Adorners, welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Today we're going to be using some flaky Grands Biscuits to make donuts and donut holes. If you're interested, please keep watching and welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Okay, Adorners, so I'm opening a can of our Grands Biscuits. This is an 8 count. Oh my gosh, I always hate the popping. Alright, Adorners, so I've gone ahead and I've taken out our biscuits out and I have a skillet that's ready here. And so I just have this scoop. I'm just going to press down in the center of my biscuit. And that'll be our hole for our donut hole, our bunny tails. I'm going to do the rest of these and I'll be right back. Really nice. We're using our Grands Biscuits because these flake up really nicely. They flake up really nicely, but I am going to use 2 of these and I am going to just leave them whole because I want to fill them with some strawberry jam. Alright, so let me finish and I'll be right back. So I've gone ahead and I've cut holes in all of our donuts. I'm just going to go ahead and place them nicely into our... Fill it with some jam. One of our bunny tails is pretty much done. You can see it cooked up so nicely. I'm going to put it on a plate with some paper towel. Okay, Adorners, so it's just time to go ahead and flip over our donuts. We don't want them to be too brown. See, it's cooking up so nicely. This is only like about 1 to 2 minutes on each side, but make sure you throw in your first donut, okay, to make sure that your oil is ready. This is done so quickly, okay? This is done really quickly. Ready to go. As you can see, our first bunny tail is done. All right, it came out so nicely, right? And the difference between this and a regular biscuit, or you remember our Grands, they flake up. This will be really great for like a late night snack if you want donuts and you don't feel like going to the store. Okay, just keep some cans of biscuits. All right, keep some cans of biscuits. Let me plate these up and I'll be right back. So I have our last donut holes. These are the centers that we cut out. We're gonna go ahead and cook these up. And while that's cooking up, I'm going to go ahead, while these are cooking up, I'm going to go ahead and get our icing ready and our mixture for our bunny tails. Alright, Adorners, so as you can see, I've gone ahead and cooked up our biscuits into donuts really quickly. I am going to coat our bunny tails or our donut holes with a little brown sugar and coconut for our bunny tails. And our donuts, I am going to coat them with a little frosting to go along with our Easter theme. Last donut. Okay, I'm adding some cherry frosting to them. So our donuts are done. I just frosted up some with, so I just frosted them. I'm gonna let it sit for a minute, but I just frosted them with some cherry icing. And then I have my little coconut brown sugar bunny tails for Easter. But anyway, so if you want donuts and you don't want to go to the store, this is a really quick way to do that. So I'm going to try one of these. That's really great. Thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne. I'm your girlfriend or your auntie of lifestyle and decor. And if you want a donut, just get some biscuits. Always. Instead of saying goodbye, I say saving hello for another time. See you in the next video. Please be sure to click like and subscribe.